Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how you can make money online with the copy and paste method, where you're gonna copy free articles and you're gonna promote affiliate offers and make money. This is a similar video I made yesterday. You can see it from this is the video copy and paste article that you can make $55 every single time. In this method I talk about where you can use a Quora and ClickBank and make money from it. This video is continuation to that because there is some issue in that video I didn't know about at the time. Now I know about that and I have a solution for that issue. So before that, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also don't forget to click the like button on the bottom of the video. I make money making video, money saving method. I'm sharing my own result, my own experience. I don't sell any courses here, so it's nothing gonna cost you guys to follow me. Again, if you want to win a £10 giveaway every single day, so you watch my videos, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also on the right comment, also like our videos on the comment section, right? I like this video and put your PayPal address. If any of my video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway by picking the winner from the comment section. So with that in mind, we move on to the video, guys. So basically what I talk about, you take an affiliate offers. In the last video I talk about promoting a woodworking affiliate offer. So I went there and get the free articles, then I can answer the question and put my affiliate link. I can make money out of it. That system work, but most of the social media and Quora doesn't like affiliate links. So for example, you can see from here, if I go back and I can show you the example what's the difference between affiliate offers and the normal website, right? So I used Quora to promote my ebook, free ebook. So okay, for that I put payhip URL in my answer. So when I do that, Quora doesn't delete my answer. You can see 107 view for that post. But on the last video I did answer woodworking question, but I put my affiliate link and you can see your answer has been deleted by Quora moderation. This happened fast, but I didn't consider that much. But what the problem is, a policy violation that you can't put a affiliate link here. Now this affiliate link is different. If you put Amazon affiliate link, it will work, but this ClickBank or MaxBank affiliate link, they will automatically reject that. So what is the solution for that is landing page. No, you wait there. Do you think you go landing page, go to click panels, build a role and buy monthly subscription? No, there's a couple of free websites that you can use it for. In the past I made a video about bookmark.com, but here I'm making video about convertkit.com. So before I show the entire tutorial, continue to watch my video. First I'm going to show you how you can build a landing page within 1 minute, then how you can promote it on Quora or any other forum or any other social media. So convertkit.com is free to use. It's a paid version, but you can use the free version too with a custom domain. You can't put your own domain there, but you need to upgrade. This is cheap, but I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. But if you went the free version, there's a section you can create a form or landing page. If you didn't click forum, you can put that code in your website. You can carry the email address. With the free version you can get up to 1000 email address. So you can ask me why I need an email address. I need to redirect traffic to them. Yes, you can collect the email address with this landing page, or you can redirect and direct it into the affiliate offers, or you can do the both. I recommend you can do the both, but in order to get the customer, you need to provide some value for the customers. Provide some free, then they will put email address and they will direct you to affiliate offers. Maybe they buy it or they don't buy it, but you have their email address, so you can target it in the later days with the same or different affiliate offers. So what you have to do now, click landing page, and it will give all the template that available. All of them are free to use, right? So there is a category, there's a newsletter, ebook category, or you can event, videos, waitlist, webinar. You can use any of the template from here. Then you can click choose, and it will give that, it will take you to the next page where you can edit it. So I already edited, but I'll go through that section. So this is my landing page. Is Hanson landing page. So the first is style, and you can change the background color of the forum, the email content here. You can say like, get blue, and you can add your own custom image in the background. You can reduce the image size, enlarge it, whatever you can do with it. The second section is called custom domain. You can create a custom domain with them, and you can will automatically collect all email address within that custom domain. Now here, so this is the section where the visitor subscribe to your page. So for example, this is a landing page. When the visitor per email address is asking, so the success message, that means that's, you know, that's done. So when you put viewers put email address, you won't do anything, you will show success. But we don't want that. We want the email address. Also we want them to redirect into our affiliate offer. So we don't want to click that. We click redirect an external page where you can put your affiliate offers here. That's what you're going to do. The second thing is send incentive email. That means when there's subscribers enter the email address, you can send them email address and say, okay, thank you for registering with us. You can send it like that. So you can see the email content, like if you click that, as an example, like thank you for signing up, click the link below to confirm your subscription, and you will be you're on a way. You can do that. Also you can, this is the section I'm talking about, download section, where you can give them a download content. Okay, when the people click, put the email address, subscribe, and we'll take it to the next page where it will show success, and they will receive the email when they confirm that email, and they can download their free ebook. But when you are starting up, I don't recommend that, because you need to put your personal email, but still you can do that. So that's why you can say I joined my newsletter for a free ebook. But in this case, I want to send the ebook personally through email rather than they can go and download it, or you can do either way. But for the first time, I'm using convertkit. I don't want to mess it up, so I want to leave that blank. And this is the section where you continue to show it for so even though the visitor come again and click it, and you can show this form to collect the email address. Sometimes the email address they put, they won't be registered. That's why this is the one come here, incentive email here to confirm their email address for that reason. So don't worry about that. First we need the landing page to redirect our viewers into our affiliate offers. And this is a section you can do the SEO also. You can put title, description. When the people search it in Google, your landing page will appear. But I don't know, because you are using a custom domain, I don't think so this landing page will appear. But if you are using own domain, maybe your landing page will appear. Once you've done that, click save and publish, and if you click share, and it will give the landing page email address, landing page URL address. What you have to do, just click copy it and go to web page and test it out, it's working or not. If you put that, your landing page loading up, no problem. So just put an email address, random email address, and let's say it will redirect our to our affiliate offers. It will take a couple. Yes, it's working. But there's an issue with this convertkit. When I try to do with Google Chrome, it will only show the success, but it won't redirect to my affiliate offers. But the redirection working with Microsoft Edge or any other web process, I don't think so. I don't know why they are not working with Google Chrome. But if you go to SimilarWeb, you can see most of the traffic that Quora is getting is from mobile devices. So people are searching on Google using their mobile phone. They are using the laptop or tablet, they are using that. But the number of traffic Quora is getting over 500 million traffic per month, but most of them is coming from mobile devices, right? So that landing page is working in all mobile devices and tablets, so you don't have to worry about that. Now you're done. Okay, you have your landing pages ready and you have your articles ready. Then we're gonna go and repeat the same style that I discussed in the last video to answer the questions for woodworking on Quora. So we copy the article here, go to Quora and woodworking. Okay, so type woodworking. Okay, woodworking. And the thing with Quora, when the Quora delete your answer, you can reapply back, but in this issue I can't reapply because of the affiliate offers. At the same time, I can't answer the questions again because I already answered that. I can't answer the question again, but you can go and answer other questions that related to woodworking. So what are the best resources to learn woodworking? What are the most useful woodworking tool? What are the basic of woodworking? This is the question we want. Just open up and click answer, and you copy and paste entire article there and add the image for this. Already I talked about in the last video, so you can go and check it out. And this is our image. Now what you do, we need to put our landing page URL on all the woodworking letters. Okay, just go there and highlight this part and URLs and add that. Also go you can put add as much as URL, so because that's the whenever people click it, it will automatically redirect to your affiliate offers. All right, after you added your link, you can see it's added all the way where it say woodworking, and also you put the link in here, and you have to put the article source because this is your article. You give the traffic for them, and you can put your link here and link here. So it's article source 2 times, so we need to take one of them out. And that's it, guys. Now what you have to do, click submit, and you're done. Now what you have to do, once the article you answer the question, just click it and let's see our landing page is working or not. Yes, it's working. Like I said, I don't know why it's not working on Google Chrome, but it's working with other website and mobile devices. Thanks, guys. And one more thing I need to talk about here is when you go to Quora and click this button called answer, and that will give all the questions asked right now. So you can ask these are the questions people asked right now. You can see, what does the Instagram marketing involve? How do you how do you think you are paid more or less than your worth? So these are people question ask. Some of the questions related to the product or related to the service. So you can answer these questions using this method, putting free articles and putting your affiliate link, and you have a chance to get more traffic because this question asked right now, there's no answer. You are the first one to answer. When you answer that, when more people will come and visit these answers, and you can make money out of it, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching, and see you in next video. Again, for the giveaway, subscribe, press the bell icon, like our video on the comment section, write I like this video and put your PayPal address. When this video hit 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. Until that, have a good day and see you in next video, guys.